We don't have a physics class tomorrow.
Haven't a clue. Haven't a clue.
She said Loring.
Fine. Fine.
That's a good thing.
Stephen, we don't do past papers for some tomorrow?
I can't. I haven't got time. I mean, I could do one. But
Yeah, one maybe.
Yeah, maybe one. Maybe. Right. So, Fahad, I want to get the maths finished. So I'm going to finish the maths paper before I start physics. Especially since we already have 2 papers finished in physics, but we don't have 2 finished in maths. So I'm just going to finish it. There's only 2 questions left on it, okay? So B4 was a vector question. Oh, come on. B4. So you had this line, L1, which was 2, 1 minus 3, plus lambda, 1 minus 2, 5. And then L2, 3, 13 minus 10, plus mu, 2, 3, 4. And the first question is, show that they meet. If you want, we can kind of put this together as 2 plus lambda, 1 minus 2 lambda, minus 3 plus 5 lambda, 3 plus 2 mu, 13 plus 3 mu, and minus 10 plus 4 mu. Right, so to show that they meet, 2 plus lambda must equal 3 plus 2 mu. 1 minus 2 lambda must equal 13 plus 3 mu. And minus 3 plus 5 lambda must equal minus 10 plus 4 mu. So I can clean this up a bit. I can get lambda minus 2 mu must equal 1. Minus 2 lambda minus 3 mu must equal 12. And then 5 lambda minus 4 mu must equal minus 7. What do you think would be the easiest way to solve these? What do you think? I think what I'll do is I'll multiply this one by 2. Go down? So what? No? Continue? Yeah. Right, so here we have 2 lambda minus 4 mu equals 2, and minus 2 lambda minus 3 mu equals 12. We add these together, we get minus 7 mu equals 14. Great, what does mu equal? Minus 2. And then what will lambda equal? Well, if that's minus 2, that's plus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3. We must put both of those answers in at the start to confirm that they make the same point. So mu is minus 2 and lambda is minus 3. Let's go back to the top. So if I put in here minus 2, what will I get? 0, 5, minus 3, minus 10, minus 13. And then for the other one I put in minus 3. No, that's not going to work. I made a mistake somewhere, did I? Lambda is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Lambda is minus 3. Sorry, I have it backwards. Lambda is minus 3. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 1 plus 6, 7. Minus 3, minus 15, minus 18. Okay, and mu is minus 2. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 13 minus 6, 7. And then minus 10, minus 8, minus 18. Perfect. So this is where they meet. Okay. So that's actually quite good for 6 marks. What's wrong? They're gone now, are they? Are they gone?
No.
Oh yeah, we'll wait a few minutes till they're gone. It'll be too noisy. Okay, that's okay for actually 6 marks. Now, do you remember the B part is to find the angle between the lines. So, which vector do I use to find the angle between the lines? No, not necessarily. Well, yeah, but I mean, which vectors do I use to find the angle between L1 and L2? Well, which one here? For L1, which one would it be? Give me the numbers.
1 minus 2 5.
That's it. I need to use this one and this one to get the angle. So we use our formula. Cos theta equals R1 dot R2 over magnitude R1 magnitude R2, where R1 is 1 minus 2 5 and R2 is 2 3 4. So I get cos theta will equal 2 minus 10 plus 20 over square root 25 30 square root 25 and 16 and 4, that's 45, is it? So cos theta is, let me see, 22 minus 10 is 12 over root 30 root 45. So,
So 1, 2, 3, 5 or you got 2, 5, 4?
2 3 4. 2 3 4. Right. So let's get the theta. Okay, that's okay. C. We want to show that this point, 7, 19 minus 2 is...
You did it wrong.
No, don't. See, that's so amazingly rude when you just blurt out you did it wrong.
No.
So what you need to say is, I think you made a mistake, and I think the mistake is this. Rather than, you did it wrong. Can you understand how rude that is? Like, do you understand that? Because I sometimes think you don't. So try that again. Oh, please tell me, Fahad. Where do you think the mistake is?
Because R2 is 2, 3, 4. If you take a magnitude to 29, not 45.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okie dokie. So that should be 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. So 29. Now, isn't being polite so much better? Right. So the angle is 66 degrees. Okay, continue. So for the C part, we want to show that 7, 19 minus 2 is on L2, which is 3 plus 2 mu, 13 plus 3 mu, minus 10 plus 4 mu. So do you remember what we have to do here? We just have to find any mu that makes 7, 19 minus 2. So I can almost see what the mu is straight away. I think it's going to be a half. No, wrong. It's going to be 2. Yeah. If you let mu equals 2, well, what's 3 plus 4? 7. 13 plus 6, 19. And then minus 10 plus 8 minus 2. So that's the end of that one for 2 marks.
Last part?
Yeah. So, just so you know, in the question they're calling your answer from part 1A. This is vector A, where they meet. And then this one here, they called vector B. So they want you to calculate AB first. So if you look at what's happening, you have line 1, line 2, where they meet is A. And this is L1, and this is L2. And B is on L2. Yeah, but there's more to it. But what is B? It's 7, 19, minus 2. And what's A? What was the answer from the first part, please?
I don't know.
Yeah, no, I'll check it here. Minus 1, 7, minus 18. Minus 1, 7, minus 18. Is that what I said?
Yeah.
Okay, so this will equal 8, 12, 16. So they want the magnitude of AB. So that would be 4 root 29. Now that's not what they actually want you to finish with. What they want is the shortest distance from B to L1. So they want this distance here.
So have to find where they meet first.
No, not actually in this question, because if you look at it, what type of triangle is this? It's a right angle triangle, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, you know the distance AB, which is 4 root 29. That's the hypotenuse, isn't it?
Okay.
We're looking for this side, and in fact, we actually know the angle between A and B. We know this angle here. We worked it out earlier between between L1 and L2. What was it? It was 66. So it's actually just a trigonometry problem. We should use sine 66 equals x over 4 root 29. So here I get 19.7 as the answer. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, from B to L1.
But why not? Why not it's like this?
Sorry, what's this? Give me words.
Why not it's straight?
What do you mean? Like here's L1, and here's L2, and here's A, and here's B, and the shortest distance from B to L1 is this distance.
Maybe ask for the maximum one?
No.
He cannot
No, impossible. The maximum one is infinity.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, let's have a look at question 5 now. It's integration. Can I close this when you're ready?
Yes. Integration.
Yeah. Yeah? Okay, so let's close this. Well, actually, before I do, I'm just because I made a mistake earlier, let's make sure the answer is right. if I got the final answer right, it would mean that everything before it in the question was right. So let me just past papers, IFY Maths 2014, Science and Engineering, version 3. No, only 2.
Version 2, 34.
Yeah.
Marketing version 2, 34.
Yeah. No, it wasn't right. That was the exam. I want the marking scheme. Right. That's version 2. What did I get? It's off by a good bit. 18.1. I did get 2 for this one, didn't I? Wait, I didn't get 57 here. What did I get?
66.
66. Did I get root 30?
Yeah. And 29.
But my number on the top was 16, not 12. Oh, because I thought this was a 5.
Yeah.
So this here, sorry, so this should have been a 16 if you want to fix it. That should have been a 16. Oh, come on, give me red. That should have been a 16, which means that should have been a 57, which just changes the last one here. That should have been a 57, which changes that to a 18.1. No, it's not 10. Because I wrote, that's a 3, not a 5, but I read it as a 5 here. It's minus 2 times 3, that should have been a minus 6, not a minus 10. Bad handwriting causes problems. Let that be a lesson to you. Alright, can I close this now? Okay.